how to create your Amazon seller account. So let's do step by steps. First, go to Google and search for Amazon Seller Central. Click on the first link here to go to the web page. In here, guys, you will need to click on register now to register. So here we have the two different seller plans on Amazon. There is another video where I explain with all the details the difference between these two plans. Basically, if you choose the individual plan, you need to pay 99 cents for each sale on Amazon. Okay, so if you sell more than 40 items, you will be ending paying more than the professional, because the professional is $39.99 a month. So basically, if you are selling 50 products, it will go over. It will surpass the amount of the professional. So I strongly recommend you to get the professional account because it has several advantages. To see all the advantages, check the other video, the video that explains the difference between both. And also, guys, you have a month free of professional. So that's amazing because you can test for a month without paying anything. Amazon won't charge your credit card until the trial time is over. Okay, so basically you can test for 30 days, see if you can sell more than 40 products, and I am pretty sure you will, because I will show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so for now, let's go with the professional. Enter your email here. Create a new account, and if you already have an account on Amazon, you can just use your current account. Okay, here is asking for your legal name, so just enter your name, and if you have a company, you can enter the name of your company, of your business. Say that you have read the agreements. So the display name is your seller name. For example, if you go, let me show you here, if you go to a product like this, so this is the seller name. So you see sold by and the seller name fulfilled by Amazon. So if we click on for new here to see other names, you can see all these are the names. Like this guy, this is the name of this guy. So basically, you can check any name here and just see if it's available or not. You can use dash, you can use spaces, and it change. So look like this one is available. You fill up your address and every information is needed here. Enter your credit card number. You need to verify your identity, so you can choose from Amazon to call you or send you a text message. You enter your phone number here, and basically you can send call me now or send me a text, and you will get a PIN. All you need to do is enter the PIN here on this box and go to the next step.
Hello, this is an automated call from Amazon.com. Using the touchpad on your phone, please enter the 4-digit PIN number that was displayed on your screen. You may also say your PIN, 1 digit at a time. We have successfully verified your PIN. Please return to Amazon.com to complete your registration. Thank you for your interest in Amazon.com. Goodbye. Okay,
perfect. So this is the tax interview. Basically, you will need to launch this and enter all your tax information. It's really easy to do. And when you're done, you click on Save and Continue, and that's all you need to do. Congratulations, because now you have a professional seller account on Amazon. In the next video, you will learn how you can find amazing products to sell on your Amazon account, okay? See you there.